This video showed you how to install this skid plate on both the off-road and the sport model. Today, I'm super excited to be introducing our newest product, the 4th gen Tacoma skid plate, available in both the gray and the black. Today, we're very fortunate to have both the off-road and the sport model to show you the key differences to install this on your truck. One of the key differences with the sport model, and we'll be showing you today, is that you'll need this front support member that is also available on the website. Without further ado, let's get this install started. Underneath the vehicle, we're gonna have to take off the front air dam with 9 10mm bolts. This is the front cover, and then actually this is your engine. So the front cover on the sport model isn't covering up your engine. They only have a little plastic tray that is protecting your oil pan. When you install the skid plate on your truck, you're gonna have 1/4" aluminum protecting your truck from the front to the back of the engine for exceptional protection. If you have the sport model or SR5, you're gonna need this, the front support cross member. This sandwiches between the frame and the tow hooks, and you're just gonna remove the 4 bolts and sandwich it in between. Now we're under the off-road. You're gonna have the same front panel as well as an additional one actually covering the engine. The main difference between the off-road and the sport, on the off-road, you're gonna have this front support member. That's why we sell the extra one for the sport model, just to add it in so we can fully support the skid plate. Let me show you behind the skid plate and some special features that it offers. As you can see, there is a sound reducing foam to reduce road noise entering the cab. All the hardware required for installation will be included. Additionally, there is a front noise reducing trim to stop any wind noise or whistling. To make installation even easier for you and to make it a one-person job, there are these 2 slots here to allow you to pre-install 2 bolts and slide the skid plate on while you do the rest of them up. So let me show you how to do that. To pre-install the skid plate, you're going to place 1 bolt on the driver's rear side and the passenger middle, and we'll grab the skid plate. The kit includes 6 bolts that match the truck, or you can reuse the OEM hardware. Before you're done, make sure to secure your inner fender liner using the bolts that you took off before. And that's a wrap. This video showed you how to install this skid plate on both the off-road and the sport model. If you're interested in checking out more, check out the website, garage88.ca, and I'll see you on the next one.